Why Jubilee News? Nima Bawumia Akwaba. Na se we subscribe to the channel that message say over subscribe. We are behind say over click the subscribe button. Now we be notification when sa new video biara also was it can be. I feel we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up, my thumbs up. Now feel share my upload for us now when you do that work. I feel you go a some of the toilet into and some air cost.
Bisa Gabby, bisa Bediato. Bisa NDC boys no me bisa Agyarko bisa Ferguson me na me franka chom say me sermo SerwaaBroni asema ye kan Akufo-Addo ye papa mama ye ne say me a very reasonable guy SerwaaBroni me ne kasa hey SerwaaBroni me ne kasa chin obi me ne SerwaaBroni ye din komo sa mum bisa SerwaaBroni say how many times me pa ne chaw sewa me ye say why me de man no ye say bia sewa ye beji ske bia mo na say me de man no Chaupa, say one me pa chow, say one man ye say, Akufo-Addo ye papa, even though I have issues with Akufo-Addo is still our father, and I don't think it's right to do this. Me pass SerwaaBroni chow na mamu di matem, but na me pa on one side, me ne say wa every day me see ne so constantly. Don't do any, it's okay. I was even when you people were fighting with me, ask SerwaaBroni that who was talking to her. What's your for? Mwa mo behwe mo ya campaign ba Bawumia mi ewini no mo focus no wo kwame plus hey me nipo kuma me swale me do nyame hey mo hwe mo ya mo campaign me do nyame nyankopo me come me mama wo mo wiase nka every week we press conference. Focus on your campaign. My best friend, one of my best friends in this country that nobody knows is Napo. Listen carefully. One of my best friends that nobody knows in this country, Napo. One of my best friends in this country that nobody knows. One of the people that I respect. One of the people that we chat. We never have done public. I've never gone to his house. One of my best is Napo. One program on Sunday, Napo told me that your program Kumasi no waba. Me and Napo we are on a different level. Napo senka me yauba and come here the secret side chick. And so I want the best for him. But me mention some was yourself so. Ye NPP communication I said one spend a lot of time. When I asked Dr. Bawumia, and Napo told him that I will bring A+ on the campaign. Go and ask him. We're asked whether I will do it or not. You know, it's a different matter altogether. But don't try me. Don't try me. I said me nipa okun ameswali. I know the person who allegedly killed ameswali. And focus on your campaign. If you like, call police. Go and call A+. I will go and write a statement and they will make it public. Can't you just focus and do your government and me start some year campaign maybe so busy with Sika. Come me plus your guy man. Me more because I know how to do my things. I will fight with you, and the people who are going to vote for me, they know that this guy is the fighter. This guy will fight for us. This guy will make sure that this guy is the guy that we are looking for. They know that this guy we are looking for Obia Wabodam, somebody who is not unconventional person. They know down there nobody can beat me in that election. And if you like, come and do your things. You go a bit over more. We are part 1. Men find show team no be ourselves cause standing MP no nkofo no mo botai omo ye ho na minia no omo anya hwe am te se omo pebodan for te se America for Donald Trump no we are so assistant. The people are looking for somebody with a different mindset. They are looking for somebody who thinks in a certain way. The people have seen a different person. So me, I'm not scared, and me, I will not change. And the reason why I will be about social media, Kwame, me sponsor campaign, men Peusika, Besham campaign, or change me, I mean to menka, hey, I'm thinking differently. It's a man find show with him, man, my name, Muda. Say, more best spend more time. Hey, me, manum calipo, the Hogan, and non calipo. Who my damn it, my yard for me? Moon's radio on, moon radio. For campaign manager is who? Opariansa. Go and ask him. I didn't say somebody. Kwame, we have to sit down and talk. You're for a green. Multiform one with Jimmy. Me no me no we will be as on here. No me we will be as no be a problem forever and ever. No me no we will be as no be a problem forever. Opa did matem. Opa and family who me I don't care. Me. If you like, say whatever you want to say. Me I don't care. But if you do like you can threaten me, like you can, don't try. I bet trigger. I bet trigger to me in Kasasam. And now we don't say you know power, only power be me. O per se when me ding for my home, emphasis kenimba, men phobia powerful, opako help Prince Ama. If you come, Prince Ama can consistency. Keep Takradi, Dr. Prince Ama, Deputy Minister for a housing. Opa for bit so no. Opa for no bra. And I go boys near men jet who so wapa. I would tell you, I would to me a she. Obey. And I mean to me a she. Some more pen to qua. I mean, I love it. I will fight. I want to fight. Look, I'm looking for a reason. Napo is my friend. How can I campaign against him? If you give me a reason, I'll do it. Wallahi, tala. If you give me a reason, I'm looking for a reason to do. But just that Dr. Bawumia, I'm a ferreno. Now I'm can't say more intro. I'm if I could almost ask them now, can say, what target for say, could did me at them. I'm sure I did. Me, I can never lie in this life. I didn't be a train one. It's not right. This is me. Mary, I don't know try me. It's not right. No way deleting. So all those who are commenting, they can comment their comments. I don't know them. I don't have anything. I've never spoken. I've not done anything for them, so they can comment their comments. Oh no, by including the queen, they be catching and say, "Queen, I walk on." What you say different, but the meaning is different. Because when you speak, people can interpret it the way they want. So don't speak and expect people to understand it the way you want. You know, so I say obi di nkwasi asa. Wrong with me I say asafun say. Eno kra no sanwe oba eno ye better. Asafun akwe di asafun. Ba unya ka say osan kwasi asa. Me so. Whether it's my wife, whether it's my daughter, whether it's my best friend, I will not accept it. Because me too, I understand it in some way, into 1 year. But my mother could can be. What I say? And yes, I want to go back share posts. I'll come and propose to Mungo Diatem. Hey, man, my yasim. Asia. Women don't start with me upon Grand Gruma. Man, my yasim last warning. Men try. And I'm not what's it when I was NPP. Focus on your campaign. Munko communication meeting. NPP communication. Munko meeting. And say, let us focus. If I will. You see, I told that Napo is my friend. I will fight against his campaign. Me, I don't care who. But who to me, over there.
Thank you.
Yeah, so Napo. Yes, Napo son. Remember last week I said it. He who the gods want to kill, they first make mad. Listen, there is not a scintilla of remorse in that so-called apology. There is no remorse. There is no remorse because
sincere apology.
Oh no. Far from it. It is anything but sincere. And you know it too well, Mr. Okansi. Let's not, you see, that's why, it's because we like playing ostrich and not wanting to offend people. That's why this country is where it is. We see big people doing all the obviously wrong things. You talk and then they say, oh, wakasa kakre jai. This thing Napo is done. Do you know that after the statement at the park, okay, where Otunfo received them, and I've been wondering, well, I don't know the propriety of that reception anyway, but I will leave that for another day.
Yes.
You know? After saying all those things about Kwame Nkrumah, do you know that the next day he was in Wasa Ekropong, as a western, former western region, is it now western north?
Western north. That's actually western north.
Wasa Ekropong, and he said it, he repeated it, and said that Ghanaians like lies. When you tell lies, Ghanaians clap for you. when you say the truth, nobody wants to hear.
No,
he was,
when you say the truth, you are described as arrogant.
You are described as arrogant. But when you lie, then we clap. We clap. That is what Napo said. Is such a man contrite? Is such a man remorseful? No, not in the least. Especially, no. I told you last week, Mr. Kansi, that where I got that feeling clearly that Napo is not fit for this position as the way he reacted to the Doomsaw comment. He had said there was no Doomsaw and that the journalist who was asking for one was wishing evil on this nation. And you could see that the whole nation were angry. So even assuming we're all fools, sometimes you should know that, but if you are leading, you are too far ahead of us, the rest of us are fools. It tells you that maybe you need to pause and see how to engage with us. So at least he could have brought an apology on that occasion. He never did. It's not over 3 months now. It's not over 3 months now. That was when I knew that this guy, no. He will never be fit for this office. And John Boydu at a point came out to say that Napo was not even in the race. Matthew Opoku Prempeh was no longer in the race for vice president, that position. So I'm shocked that they went round and then came back with the same candidate. Well, we'll beat him well in December at the polls. Then they will get the message. Because such arrogance, I mean, come on, he is not remorseful. Anybody who tells you that he is remorseful is misleading you. That apology is fake. It's not coming from a contrite heart. It's fake.
You don't put premium on it.
No, to the highest degree. Yesterday I was on social media. I wrote it there that Napo's apology is fake. And it's very clear. As long as he never addressed the Doomsaw comment, that was his make or break this moment. The Doomsaw comment. People were so angry. And that thing stretched over months. And he chose not to apologize. Went back to Parliament and even said it is doomsday. He was defiant, very defiant, like the way Joe Biden is being defiant when it's very clear that he should quit the presidential race, right? You see that thing. So this Napotin,
right?
When you square it, last comment, when you square it with the prescriptions of Plato in the Republic, Plato and Socrates, that book. They talk about qualities of a leader, right? Qualities. Amongst them, here I'm looking at the illiberality. He shouldn't be that mean. From what Napo is done so far, you see that this is quite a mean candidate, very mean. You make comments that have hurt people, that have, embarrassed us as a nation. We appeal, and he would not respond. He would not apologize for that Doomsaw comment. Then now that he's seen that the cup is full with his Kwame Nkrumah comment, he seeks to apologize for that one. It's not sufficient. No. Let's remember that Plato's book was written about 2,000 years before Jesus Christ was born. You will never miss it. The qualities of a good leader. Talking about the philosopher king. One of them, he shouldn't have illiberality, such meanness. He should not be mean to human souls. He should not be mean. I'm sure we've endured enough meanness from Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. Professor Agyapong mentioned the hardship. You see, we've been talking about prices of tomatoes for 4 continuous weeks now. We've suffered enough meanness under Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, who promised to diversify the economy, but ended up doing next to nothing about it. And you want to give us another mean candidate? Sorry.
Well, Professor Agyapong.
Well, I would let me say something briefly by first. No, I'll talk about Napo briefly. But first of all, I want to find out whether President Akufo-Addo is aware of this land grabbing spree that is going on. And if he's not aware, if he's not aware, because despite everything, despite everything, I still do not think that such a person like President Akufo-Addo should be aware of this effort at virtually selling the whole of the country to appointees or people belonging to the NPP, and then people fronting for them to themselves, and then he would be quiet. So I'm wondering whether he's
beyond MPP. He stretches back.
Well,
to all
but the other bit is also that I want to say, you see, whilst we were saying this, some people have said that, but the NDC did same.
Yeah, but we shouldn't equalize.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That let us as a people learn to copy from best practices. Okay. it was because of some of these things that they were doing that we didn't like, and we voted against them. We all go to church. Most of us go to church. 3rd John chapter 1, verse 11a. 3rd John chapter 1, verse 11a. He said, copy from the best practices. And so let us stop these bogus practices of saying...
What's the memory verse again?
I said 3rd John chapter 1, verse 11a. Copy from the best practices. This bogus practice of always saying, but these people also did it, and so why are we not being allowed to do it? Doesn't help. Now, fast track to talk about NAPU.
The president cannot not know.
He cannot not know.
Yes, because all public lands are vested in him on behalf of the people.
But sometimes you see he's an old man. He's certain.
He should resign. He should resign.
Let's go.
Well, on NAPU, you see, commenting about NAPU sometimes is difficult for somebody like me. Okay, I sometimes want to be very calm. I want to be very diplomatic, but the more I try, the more I'm not able to be so. I'm a very forthright person. I cannot see what is right and to pretend about it. I say it bluntly. Okay, and so sometimes I see that he does. No, that's who he is, and oftentimes it is difficult for people to draw a line between who is being brutally frank and honest and assertive from who is being arrogant. And you see, the difference between me and him is that I'm an academic. And so if you draw my attention, I would sit up. Okay, so I was expecting that, given the comments that Ghanaians had made prior to his inauguration, he would have, and then given what even the Otumfuo said moment before he spoke, he would have tempered his utterances with some caution. He didn't do that. We all saw what happened. You see, he has apologized. Unlike Martin, who doesn't want to place any premium on the apology, I think that if he's apologized, I think the fact that he's apologized and the public revulsion against whatever he did should, going forward, serve as a guide in how he speaks. Now, I want to listen to the complementarity role that he's supposed to play to help to Bawumia to break the 8. I want to listen. I want the election to be a healthy contest of ideas. So what is he bringing on board? That is what I want to interrogate. If he's apologized, as far as I'm concerned, I think let's move on. And then, unfortunate thing is that now, every now you are going to make a pronouncement, people will be all yes and will be listening to you. And so what has happened should serve as a guide for him and let him go on. Let him articulate his own role that he wants to play. And if the party's strategy is to appeal or arouse their own support base and disregard floating voters and disregard what would also help in their reaching out to the others across the political debate, I mean, so be it. But I've always said that the outcome of the 2024 elections have already been decided in the hearts and in the minds of Ghanaians.
So would that objective of galvanizing the party base, would that statement have been achieved? Looking at the backlash, the content, and then also to the extent that even reference was made to President John Agyapong,
the point is this. The point is this. Sometimes we behave as if we don't even know our culture. Let's look at his comments on Dumso. I don't want to talk about. As for the one he said about Kwame Nkrumah, I mean, it was a no-no. But let's even talk about his comment on Dumso. Fellow Ghanaians, for the past 6 months or so, we have experienced challenges with our supply of power. We thank you all for bearing with us. Now you can see that there's been some improvement. Put this statement down. And then just also say, they say there is Dumso. There's no Dumso. It's only Dumso here. They are lying. These two, both of them, okay, will appease or will appeal to your support base. But being who we are, as a well-cultured people, if you go the first route, the people will say, oh, our man is even calm, and they would applaud. Okay, that is who we are as a people.
So you accept the reality.
Okay, so yes, so that is who we are. So I'm saying that rather than going that tangent, given how people have reacted, I think he should tone down and then he should just articulate his issues. I mean, it was a goof. He should accept it. He's apologized. Let us move on and let's see.
You're waiting for this news, so and our head on. So when you subscribe, we are necessary subscribe. Now, what like it, now feel what share video. I'm offer so in your video now. What also meeting at working for a year and some way now. I will comment box move in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.